Hi Boilermakers, we're coming to you today from a snowy Slater Hill. Here's what you need to know right now from Purdue University. Purdue's online master's programs in engineering and education earned top honors in U.S. News & World Report's 2026 rankings. Purdue placed number 2 nationally for online engineering master's programs, with 5 ranked number 1, and had 2 education programs ranked in the top 10. Purdue is expanding its upcoming all-Boilermaker suborbital space flight with new autonomous experiments in quantum technology and in-space chip manufacturing. Purdue is launching an AI Medicine Center in Indianapolis. The Center for AI and Robotic Excellence in Medicine will use AI and robotics to speed up medical breakthroughs and improve patient care across Indiana and abroad. And a big thank you to the Grounds Department and Building Services and Operations and Maintenance staff for their winter weather response this week. More than 200 acres of lots, 120 miles of sidewalks, and 10 million cubic square feet of snow were removed in West Lafayette. Have a great week, stay warm, and as always, boiler up.